I'm gonna call him right now. Yo, guys, it's a sound outside. This is me. Is this awkward? Do you guys hear me right now? Sorry if I'm not American. Yeah, I'm not American exactly. Wait, I'm swimming, see? Wait. Okay, I'm awkward right now. You can hear the sound outside. I'm trying to speak loud right now. Okay. Wait a minute. Wait. I need to eat ice. Ice. Wait. Ice. Okay, ice cream. I'm just going to eat it. Didn't ask me. Eat it right now, dude. Just eat it. Okay, I have ice cream right now. Dude. I'm awkward. It's going to be 10 p.m. when I'm recording this. Bro, I haven't slept. I'm just like 8 years old. But I sound like 20 years old. Okay, don't ask me why. I'm being so weird. I'm cringy, dude. Okay, now gravity cam, just bouncing and go cool. Let me do it. In other video, I'm going to record to say my language. Say my language, okay. So let me show you a camera. I messed up the car. Chopper. It's supposed to be 10 p.m. right now. I'm a kid and I haven't slept. It's 10:05 p.m. Bro. I'm just waiting right now. Okay, later. Ding. Wait, I messed up. Yeah. That's the combo. Wait, the rocket. Wait, let me find the sparkling. You can hear the sign. I'm Cambodian, by the way. You can see. Wait. No. I don't want to pee. Please. Nah. I don't want to pee right now. I don't want to pee right now. I don't want to lose some bouncy. 20 million bouncy. What? 20 million bouncy right now. It's damage. Bouncy out. No. So I don't know. Yo, just give me. I don't care if I lose my bouncy. I have just a lot of bouncy. 2.7 million. So I'm look stupid right now. Guys, it's actually 10 p.m. What the heck, boy? It's 10 p.m. 10:07 p.m. guys. I'm not going to sleep. I'm going to sleep like 10 and a half. So please, let's subscribe. Bye guys. Yeah. I'm not going to sleep. It's going to be 10:08 up. It's 10:08. Okay, don't ask me. I'm done recording this. I'm off.